Right, now shifting focus to the Mumbai police who have recorded the statement of Bollywood actor Ranveersingh in a case registered against him for posting nude photographs of himself on social media, an official has said. Now the first information report was registered against Ranveersingh at the Chamber Police Station in Mumbai last month on the basis of a complaint filed by an office bearer of a non-governmental organization or an NGO. The police subsequently served him a notice to join the probe into the case. The actor appeared before the investigating officer around 7 a.m. on Monday and his statement was recorded. Let's go straight across to our panelists now who join us at this moment. We have Advocate Vedika Chaubey joining us. She's an advocate, and we also have Aashutoshsrivastava, also an advocate of the Supreme Court, and we have Mr. Nasir Abdullah. He is an actor. Thank you very much to all our guests for joining us. I'd like to take my first question to Advocate Vedika Chaubey. I want to understand from you that now that the Mumbai police has recorded a statement, was an FIR really needed in the first place? What was so criminal about the nude photo shoot, Ms. Vedika?
See, Sonakshi, this has been discussed a lot of time, that why I went and registered the FIR. Basically, the point for today should be that at least the wheel of the action has already started, and the police is able to get him after more than a month to record his statement. Earlier, when on August 12th, police went and summoned him to call him for the statement, he asked for the 15 days time. But he, that 15 days time gets over on 30th of August. But he went early hours on Monday at 7 a.m. and he recorded his statement. And that too, I have no idea what was the statement he gave in, the police station. But I just wanted to say कि जो VIP culture है, ये कब तक चलता रहेगा? मतलब because he is a known actor, because he is Ranveersingh, so he can go and give his statement at any point of time, any time he feels कि आज मुझे 7 बजे लग रहा है, मुझे आज जाना है और आज मैं स्टेटमेंट दे के आता हूँ. Is it so? ये कल्चर ये हम पास ऑन कर रहे हैं. I'm happy at least something is coming from Mr. Ranveersingh. Okay.
Ashutosh, Mr. Ashutosh, Vedika Chaubey says that she is happy that at least some action is being taken and that Ranveersingh has finally showed up and has recorded his statement with the police. What would you like to say to that?
See, I would like to defend Ranveersingh here. He has cooperated with the investigation. That is appreciable. He has gone and he has given his statement like any ordinary person. See, the FIR which has been registered under section 292-293 basically is about selling of obscene book or maybe selling of any obscene object. I do not find that any of these two sections apply here. Along with section 509, which further will be very difficult to prove that it was against the modesty of a woman. So I think Ranveer is having a lot of legal remedies also available with him. He can go for the quashing of FIR if he feels that this FIR has been unnecessarily registered. He can go to the High Court and go for quashing like that. And I do not find that it's a big issue. We have seen many films which have been made even in India and which have been approved by the censor board, which shows such kind of acts which are meant only for the adults. And here also, if we talk about the photo shoot, I do not find that it is a complete nudity or anything like that. So I think it should not be taken too much seriously that way, and the courts are there, the regulations, everything is there to look after, even for Ranveersingh to get reliefs and remedies from the courts and the law, and accordingly the law will prevail and you will get justice, I think.
Right. Mr. Nasir Abdullah, you are an actor, you have been in the industry for a very long time, you understand the creative process of when such photo shoots take place, and Ranveersingh is not the first actor to do a photo shoot in such a sense, but my question really is, from now on, does every actor now have to keep in mind sentiments, about hurting sentiments? Is there no space for creativity in the country anymore?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like some people get offended and they get very upset. Many years ago, literally 30 years ago, Milind Soman and this other lady, I forget her name, the tall girl, actually Madhu Sapra, I got her name. 30 years ago, they posed for an ad for a shoe. They were both naked from the back, and there was an apple, and there was a snake. Now it was a bit of a too broad-minded an ad. It happens in the West all the time, but here for here. So there was a police case against this because there were hints and the suggestions, though it could have been interpreted as a biblical thing because there was a snake and there was an apple, etc. But there was a case launched against them for obscenity. Here I don't see any obscenity. There is no indication of anybody wanting to show something else besides a well-sculpted body and wearing the required undergarment which is there. So I don't see anything wrong.
There is no undergarment.
I know, okay. I can see the undergarments here, but maybe in the other, okay. Madam, okay.
Yes,
The pictures, Madam, can you let me finish? I can see, I know about, hang on, I know in one photo there was the bum showing. That is what one of the gentlemen said. Okay, don't get excited. No, don't get excited.
I'm not getting excited. I'm not at all getting excited.
No, you're getting excited to interrupt me. Please let me, Madam, you're a lawyer. Let me speak. Okay, here is the deal. If there is a bum, it is the creation of God. It cannot be obscene. If there is a bum, there is a shoulder, there is a chest. Women are showing all kinds of things. I know what you're saying, but it depends on you.
Then why are you wearing a shirt? Why have you wearing your clothes?
Wait. I know, wait. If you are finding it offensive, that is a problem you're having with that photo. I don't have it. My sister doesn't have it. My mother doesn't have it.
I have a problem with that photo.
Yes, you make a complaint.
That is the reason I went to the police station and lost my complaint.
I'm saying there is no obscenity. If you're showing a bump, that's not obscene. If there is a woman involved, if there's some other obscene angle to it, then you can say it is provocative. At the drop of a button, you can see nudity, pornography. For even a 5-year-old can see it. So ultimately, this is nothing. This is ABCD. It is nothing. There is so much else available for free on the internet. You will have to ban the internet.
Yeah, but because everything is available. Sir, Twitter is social media platform.
I know social it is,
okay.
But it is available. It is available.
The phone is not actually accessible to kids.
Madam, I repeat, there is nothing obscene. Madam, there is nothing obscene. I don't see it. There is nothing obscene.
Okay, I'm just trying to understand, Mr. Nasir, to give me a moment. Mr. Nasir and Ms. Vedika, if you could please give me a moment. Ms. Vedika, you actually went on to ask a question to Mr. Nasir saying, why is he wearing a shirt? I mean, what does that mean? What does that have to imply?
He is not wearing. If God has given a bum, it's a natural thing. He should show it. Then why he is wearing a shirt? He should also come without wearing any clothes.
You want me to take it off?
That is natural thing.
No,
I just tried to explain him that same thing.
Don't explain to me anything. I don't need your explanation.
I'm not giving you explanation. I'm just replying to what you said.
Yes? You don't have to reply to me. I was not giving you a reply. You have to the channel.
I'm not answering
reply to the channel.
I'm not answering to you. I'm replying to the channel itself, not you.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
Okay, so let's also, I have a question for Mr. Ashutosh at this point as well. Legally speaking, let's also understand this legally. This FIR that was taken against Ranveersingh for this nude photo shoot. What kind of a benchmark or a precedence does it set for the future? In the future, if anything of this sort happens?
See, I do not find that the FIR will survive for a long. So far as the sections which have been implicated in the FIR is concerned, I do not find that any obscene book was sold anywhere. I do not find that any sort of obscene object was being sold anywhere to the people under the age of 20 years or likewise. So I don't find that it will survive, and most of the sections are already billable sections. I don't find that there should be any issue legally. So far as the precedent is concerned, I think yes, people would be maybe serious about what they would be doing in future related to these kind of things. But we have to understand that there have been many monuments, sculptures like that which are still there in our country and across the globe as well.
Yeah.
And
It is not art,
since we are
it is
connected
not
to the internet,
culture. We are not showing any culture here.
It is tourism.
Suppose we are not
Bring
showing art,
money.
you point this as a culture? That you want
Culture, no, sculpture. It is sculpture I'm talking about, not culture.
Yes, and
Please,
people
what
are
culture?
claiming it's an art.
Culture.
People are claiming it's an art. It's not an art.
Sculpture.
Right,
I can,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Can I make a point
Got
here?
it, Mr. Nasir, I got it.
I'll leave. I'm sorry, but I will of course have to wrap this discussion. But I'll leave the final word, the final comments to Mr. Nasir here, who wants to make a point. Go ahead, Mr. Nasir.
Yes, I just wanted to say, if there was anything more suggesting obscenity or a look in his eyes, or he's doing some actions which could be interpreted as being detrimental in the minds of the youngsters, etc., I would have said yes, it doesn't look good, so there's no need for an FIR. You need to tell the person, look, do not do this, we don't like it, it will influence the young kids in the wrong way. Finish, end of the story. What they say, slap the palm of the offender.
That is what I am doing.
And I agree.
I'm telling him that he has done a wrong thing. He has done a wrong thing.
It has having a wrong impact on some people. He has done the right thing as far as I'm concerned, as far as he's concerned, as far as the people who have worked with him are concerned. They will not do it. They cannot do a wrong thing knowingly. You must understand that, madam. You're a lawyer.
All right.
I'm understanding, Mr. Nasir. I'm understanding.
You're understanding. Full stop. Full stop. Thank you.
This is, thank you very much, Ms. Vedika, Mr. Ashutosh, and Mr. Nasir for joining.
I just want to tell you,